Hello guys, today I've got the EDIFIER W280NB Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how you can easily install the application for your headphones in your iPhone. At first you need to open the App Store and here open search over here. Now you need to search, wait a moment. Now you need to search for the application called EDIFIER CONNECTS. Not Connects, Connects, but Connects. EDIFIER Connects. This is this application for Beijing EDIFIER Technology Co. Ltd. Here you'll see Get button. If you tap this Get button, you will need to authorize yourself using the Face ID, Apple ID password, or the Touch ID, depending on the device you use. Then hit Open. And now if you're connected to your headphones, you can here just tap Allow. I have read, Agree. And now you should be fine. Everything should be now good. If you are not connected, you need to open the settings, Bluetooth and pair your device. Goodbye.